Alright, high energy.
Alright.
Bro, how am I still not in frame?
What's good, YouTube?
Yo guys, I'm finally making a video that's not about perms, okay? Today, we're actually been blessed by MunchPak. Let me show you the box a little bit. Their website is gonna be linked below. Basically, they reached out to me and said, we wanna send you a little gift that you can review on your YouTube channel. So, I don't know if y'all know who this is, but this is my brother, Angel.
The fat kid out of the family.
Yo, and Angel is like the little bigger kid of the family. He's only 14 and he's like about as tall as me. He's experienced a lot of flavors. He's tasted a lot of food in his days. You know, he's only 14. But I thought might as well make a video with Angel since he loves eating food. But if y'all don't know what MunchPak is, they have a brochure right here. Basically, they send you different kinds of snacks and foods from other parts of the world. I think there's like, okay, here we go. Netherlands, South Korea, United Kingdom, Italy, Philippines, Japan, USA, South Korea, Thailand, India, all over the world. So hopefully we get some new viewers. If you're new, make sure you subscribe with notifications. I'm trying to post every single day. Me and Angel haven't ate all freaking day. So I'm hoping and I'm praying that some of this food is good. Because, you know, if not, I don't know what we're gonna eat. We don't have milk, we ran out of milk. I'm lactose intolerant, I can't drink regular milk. So, Angel's gonna try everything first and then I'm gonna try it.
What the?
Cause he's the little test dummy, you know what I mean? That's what he's here for. But I think we're gonna start off with the
Shanghai Hunan.
the tomato flavor chips. And let me see, on the brochure it says these are from Thailand, all right? Here, you can open them. We got some Fanta. Ooh. Let me see what this smells like. Ooh. Ooh. Boy, why are you looking at the calories? You act like you care about calorie count. Come on, let's go, let's see it. How do they taste?
Hell no. They taste like sweet and salty.
Let me see. Bro, I just brushed my teeth. Oh, God. Hell no. Oh my God, no. I don't even like.
Not those.
Okay, that's not it. You know, we're gonna switch to the drink. While he's showing y'all the drink, I think the drink is from Japan. Fanta Pink Grapefruit adds vitamin C. Yo, you need to try this. This is healthy for you. Open it up. Smells good. Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good, but it's freaking hell carb. Not carbonated.
Yo, this is actually good. Damn, grapefruit.
Pretty good.
Yo, if there's any more nasty food, I think we're gonna wash it down with this because this is freaking good.
Yeah.
All right, next thing on the list. Yo, you know it'd be dope if I opened up a P.O. box and all my foreign subscribers send me food. Stuff that I would probably like or I could try and make another video. If y'all like this, I'm down to try more food. These are called Ashi Ubi Pillows. They're Filipino root vegetable similar to yam. This does not sound like it's gonna taste good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, if y'all go on the MunchPak website, they have I think 3 different versions: 5 snacks, 10 snacks, and I think 20 snacks. And I think the cheapest one is like $12, and then it goes up from there. And you could subscribe on a monthly basis, so you could just try out different foods every month. I think the cheapest one is $12, and they have free shipping to the United States. So yeah, if y'all want to check them out, the link will be in the description. And they also have an app. MunchPak on Facebook, MunchPak Snacks on Twitter, and MunchPak on Instagram. Shout out to MunchPak for sending us this box. Yo, they have sour. Yo, I can't wait to try these. But we're gonna save those to the end. I think all the good stuff is at the end. Like they have, these are like bootleg Rice Krispies, I think. Hold on, let me show y'all. It's like old school cornflake chew. Yeah, it's basically, yo, more candy. All right, I'm here to try the candy. Let's get all the nasty food out first, and then we'll go to the candy, all right? You need help there, buddy? Okay, hold on. There we go. Bro, I can't, oh my God. It smells nasty. Well, we gotta try every single one. Try it. What does it taste like?
It's alright.
What does it taste like?
Like, I don't know, like that popcorn, like popcorn you get in that bag. I forgot what it's called.
Tastes like popcorn?
Or like that sweet popcorn you can get. I wouldn't eat them.
Bro, these are so disgusting. Oh my God.
Oh, they taste like that cereal.
I can see how people like it, but that's not my flavor. All right, next thing we're gonna try is the, these are the Concho Choco biscuit. There we go, boom. All right, let's see, let's read here. You open that, I'm gonna read what it says, all right? So these are, I think these are from South Korea. These tasty chocolate-filled biscuits are pure to put a smile on your, these better taste good. These better taste good.
They actually look like biscuits.
Little biscuit. Little biscuit. Oh, focus. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're really little biscuits. These are good. These are good. Where are these from?
They're soft, but like they're crunchy.
South Korea.
Yeah, they eat.
All right, these real quick. What is this? Yo, you try to read it.
Some type of lemon pie.
Okay, here we go. They're from Italy. These are from Italy. Lemon cream tart, our favorite flavor of this sweet and perfect tasty pastry. All right, open it and let me know how it tastes. And I'm not one that should be doing this because I have a super weak stomach. Like if something, every time I go on trips, I have to have like Tums or Pepto-Bismol or something because my stomach, I have a bad stomach. But yo, these, they smell good. Do they taste?
Can we do half on this?
Yeah. Tastes like a lemon pie. It's pretty good. Not bad. All right, so real quick, here's a close-up of what the MunchPak looks like. Here's the nasty chips. Here's the Fanta, and those are the good stuff, all right? So yeah, it comes in this nice box. And look, see, I think we left all the good stuff. I believe, I don't know about these. But yo, here's like a Rice Krispie. Open this up. Let's see if this is good. How does it taste?
Caramelly.
Caramel? You don't like caramel? What's wrong with caramel?
It's nasty.
What? What the f? All right, my turn. Let's see how this. You go. What don't you like? It tastes like a granola bar.
I was expecting something.
You just don't like healthy stuff. That's it.
How is that healthy? That is not healthy.
It tastes like a granola bar. All right, this, what is that? I have no clue. Like literally, I have no clue. Bonjour Petite assorted cookies.
Where's it from?
Japan. Hell no. Don't even smell it. Just try it.
Don't even smell it, just try it.
Yeah, because you're not gonna want to try it. Yeah. Yo, mans is really throwing up. Yeah, I'm not trying that.
That tastes like freaking shrimp.
Yo, I'm good. I'm passing on that.
Ugh. It tastes like those,
bro, I'm getting itchy from that smell. Just, ooh. All right, what is this? Refresher, strawberry flavor. Here's the refresher. All right, here you go.
This looks like a lab attack.
It probably is. I got 2 twin Glocks 10. All right, here you go. Try it. Make sure you show the camera. Damn, boy, you're gonna break your teeth.
You have to buy it.
All right, time for the good stuff. All right, time for the good. I think these sour belts are gonna be the best thing in here. But right now we're gonna try these little cookies. These little cookies. They smell kind of good. Keep in mind, these are cookies, right? These are cookies from where?
Japan.
Japan. This is a Japan cookie. Okay, so here is a little Japan cookie. Here's my finger, like they're really small, right? And like a United States cookie, all right, I don't know if it's probably like, if you got the circle of that, that's probably 1 cookie, or like an American cookie probably be like that big. 4 for 1. Americans are fat. All right, so here's the aftermath out of the MunchPak. We tried all of them. Right now, which one's your favorite one? Those are your favorite one? Out of all of them. If I had to pick one right now, I think my favorite would probably be these, the little cookies. I'm a cookie person, like I love cookies. All right, yo, I'm a cookie person. I love cookies. Yo, Zemma, come here. Come here.
Try these.
You want some cookies?
You want to try some?
Are they good? Let me try.
Wait. If you want to try a cookie, you have to take a bite. You have to take a bite of this.
Yeah, that's pretty
Wait, hold up.
good.
All right, take a bite.
Don't smell it either.
Just take a bite.
It's a burger teriyaki.
Hell no, that tastes gross.
All right, one more. If we tried all the nasty stuff, you have to try the nasty stuff, all right?
Bro, I feel like throwing up now. Ew, hell no, this is tomato.
You have to try it. She not tried.
I like this one.
I think she's tried everything. Oh, these are the cookies.
You want to try this? You probably would like it. It's like a Laffy Taffy.
Yo, what the?
Let me try. Let me try this one.
All right, Laffy Taffy, go. It has an aftertaste, right?
Just like strawberry banana.
Oh yeah, those are like, I don't know. You just said it tastes like popcorn.
This one, mango.
That out of all of them, this is your favorite right here?
Yeah.
The straws,
Dude, they taste like Mexican candy.
they're
I
good.
like them.
All right, yo, Gemini's in the video now, but yo, shout out to MunchPak again. Thank them for sending me this package full of all kinds of foods from all over the world. If y'all want to try some of these foods, make sure you go to MunchPak. And honestly, some of these are good. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't lie. These cookies,
No, I like those.
they taste just like chocolate chip cookies. How do you feel about the pack?
They're alright.
What did he just say?
And you tasted all of them like rapid fire. How was it?
Yeah. Some were actually really, really good. Being from a different country, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Some of them are really good. I would actually order some.
Alright, but yo, everybody, thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the bell if you haven't. Do not skip an ad, you hear me? Do not skip an ad, that is bad. Make sure y'all watch ads. Follow me on Instagram. I think this is a long video. Thank y'all so much for watching the full video. If you haven't yet, go check out some of my other videos. I'm trying to upload as much content as I can for y'all. And I don't know how else to end the video, but the way I always end my videos, always, y'all know what I do, alright? The way we end the video is you just gotta stay juiced, right? So make sure y'all all get a cup and y'all stay juiced, alright? Easy.
I want to do my freaking nose.